Around here. There's something here. I'll mark the spot.
Look, Trudy, it's a unicycle!
Help me ride it, Trudy. Oh my God, are you okay?
I'm fine, Trudy. Just fine.
Should we carry on?
Right, let's keep on going. Beep! Beep! I think it's somewhere here. It's a pair of stilts, Trudy!
Oh, extra brilliant.
Look at how tall I am now.
You're taller than me now.
I think this could be a bit of a surplus we could have found here. Maybe ancient Rome. Let's keep on